I'm ready to get my package, my Amazon package. Okay, so I got this Father mixer thingy with a travel case. It's cool. Originally, I wanted the black one, but it was not in stock. And this one didn't mention the case, so I'm surprised and happy. But I saved like $3 because I chose white. I think, oh my god, turn on! What the? Stop. Let me stop this because I can't see. Let me get closer. Look at this. You press it and it starts working. Medium. Low. Ooh. I cannot wait to start mixing. I got it for my protein shakes mostly, but I'm excited about coffee. Well, I got it for both, let's be honest. And then I got cables galore. These are 2 extensions because I already have HDMI cable, so what's the point of buying longer cables when I can buy an extension and then keep the other ones? The extension, you need it when you need it, then you let it work normally. Now what I need to buy is an antenna. Maybe I should go get that now. So super excited. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, sometimes I don't know if I'm recording or not, or if I'm doing slow motion. Anyways, I got my Amazon fix. I ordered that late yesterday and I got it in the morning today. It's like 3 right now. So I'm debating if I should get an antenna or not. Probably not because I'm lazy AF and I don't want to go to Walmart right at 3 when I could have been there at 7 a.m. and I was probably still up until 7 on the heavy shoes. The usual. CVS. Let's check the specials. Hello everyone. I don't know if this is gonna look good because it has the flash on. Thank you. But I just survived. Oh, I just survived power outage. Throw me off. You know, it's gonna be like negative degrees here. So I was like freaking out. I'm like, they're gonna find me frozen. But I survived. So it's back on. Have issues with my heat now. Sneezing. I bought something on Amazon. What is this? The foot veil. Can you see this? Isn't this cool? So we're gonna use, oh shit guys. Let me turn on the lights here. Okay, so excuse the mess because life is difficult sometimes. Okay, I just hit the wrong one. So make sure you start in low. Okay, focus here, focus here now. Okay. And it is going to kind of foam it a little bit. It's so better as well because I will charge it. But I'll show you the final result. Let me stop this. Okay, so here is the final result. I just put some coffee. I drank a little bit of it, but I don't know. I just makes it taste better somehow. It's weird. Let's frame this better. It's weird, but it works. Hey guys, I got my package with the melon and coats. I don't know how to say that. I don't know. Recovery treatment oil. Let's look at the ingredients. Cruelty free. Very excited. Let's open it. So here it is. Let me try it. Hey guys, I haven't vlogged as much today. I don't know, like losing power got me on edge. Something weird, but it just did. I've been having issues with my heat. It's like intermittent. It works okay, and then I don't know, I think the valve is failing in the motor for it. It's nice upstairs and it's kind of cold downstairs. I'm worried because we're going to get a really cold snap. So, and it's snowing today. It's just like drained my energy, but I'm feeling like I'm coming back. Let's check out how the snow is going. Let's see how the snow is going. It's dark. So this is the snow, guys. I've been waiting for this FedEx package all day. And it's driving me crazy that it's snowing and it probably won't get here today. But whatever. No footsteps. Where's my FedEx? Let's check the back door. Sometimes they leave it there and it'll ring a bell. I just checked and nothing. Still waiting. This is so annoying, you know, like, who wanted that? Because it's like a nice reveal of that box with lots of goodies. But we keep waiting. Thank you, Snow. Okay, hello. Back up vlogging a little bit. I haven't been too inspired lately. There's going to be snow tomorrow. And I just ordered food, so I'm waiting for it. It is the 31st, and I need to gather ideas to actually what's going on with this flight. Play games. I need to start the first tomorrow in a better mood, in a better mindset, putting together a plan. I think that's what's going to work for me. I don't know, I just want to share what is it that I'm going to do during the month of February to hit the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned. No, again, we're supposed to be getting like 1.5 inches or 2 per hour. Hashtag. Let's move out of here. Hey, so I'm back here in the kitchen wondering what is it that I'm going to do. For sure, I need to set my goals for this month, February and March, about uploading videos, what is it that I'm going to be recording, batching my videos. Also, I'm going to put together a video about what I've learned, but I think it would be nice to shine a ray of light to others who are wondering how is it to become a successful digital content creator. More to come. I hope to be able to share the process. It's going to be a nice vlog. My plan was to start earlier, but that didn't happen. Bear with me as I figure this out together with you guys. Okay, so this is from my window upstairs. As you can see, the snow is falling pretty fast. This sucks. Okay, here's another view from my room. Look at this. It's falling. It's falling. So, the snow continues. Hello, Florida. Hello, everyone. So, we are testing a new setup. We are testing this new angle with this lighting. Hope it looks okay. Discovering new things on my iPhone that I didn't know I can do. How do you like it? Me being this close? Tell me down below in the comments. Okay, so I kept saying 12 to 18 inches, but I would say maybe it was like 5 or 6. The aftermath. Hello everyone, I just decided to get out. Just ate some, you know what, McDonald's. And I've been looking at these trees and I just came up with a nice spiritual realization. I want to share it. Let me show you the trees. It was pretty much this tree in front of me. And then, you know, I started to think about the tree and how it is thriving. Then I thought about the biology of the tree and how it lives during the winter, all those things. And then we have other trees here, but this was the main tree. And then it reminded me of other biological structures, let's say. It internalized that information, and it's pretty cool, pretty deep, cool information that this tree just provided me. Amazingness. Okay, so I decided to go to the supermarket here. I'm not sure if this is a good idea because there's so many people. I don't know what to do. Like, scary. Maybe I'm not going at all. Maybe I'll go to Dollar Tree. Something. This is the current situation. Look, like so many people. The fuck? Maybe I'll go to the outlet bargain. I mean, that. What? Ali's Bargain Outlet. Okay, I must abort and go to Target, but I see less people now. Let's see. Let's go in. Okay, so remove this so I can look pretty. Not the best experience because supermarkets are traumatizing. We know that. I noticed there are a few things that I can find there, so never again at this time, but I'll open the supermarket in the morning whenever I need something. I like that strategy, you know, early 6 a.m., 7 a.m. Boom, you're done. No crowds, you know, had to wait in line like freaking 20 minutes. And this is what happens, you get stressed and then you need a frappuccino. First world problems. Not proud of it, but that's what we have to deal with. Now let's go home. Back in the basement, I'll never ever get over it. So this is my current situation. I'll look at inside. This sucks. Looks pretty on camera, but no. Time to move. It's kind of pretty, kind of. Let's find a frame, but it's not too crazy.